नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, अभी कुछ देर पहले श्री सी.एच. वेंकटाचलम साहब के ट्विटर अकाउंट से एक मैसेज शेयर हुआ है जो मैं आपसे शेयर कर रहा हूं, जो 13 फरवरी 24 के मीटिंग के संबंध में है। डिस्कशंस विथ IBA एंड ऑन 13 February 24 EOB circular. Union and members are aware that on 7 December 23, the MOU was signed between IBA and our unions, by which wage revision was agreed at 17% hike over the wage bill as on 31st March 22. That is a total of rupees 12,449 crores. Thereafter, few meetings of the working group on issues like leave rules, LFC, special post for workmen, disciplinary action rules for employees and officers, etc. were held. On 9 January 24, a meeting of the core committee was held with workmen unions, wherein the reports of the working group were submitted. Similarly, a meeting of the core committee was held with Officers Association on 11 January 24. On the 12 January 24, a meeting of the negotiating committee was held and the cost sheet with allocation to various wage components was finalized. We have been pursuing the various issues connected therein so as to finalize the full-scale settlement joint note. IBA was also engaged in drafting the various clauses of the settlement covering the various improvements agreed upon during the course of discussions. Yesterday, on 13 February 24, discussions were held with workmen unions in the morning session and with Officers Association in the post-lunch session. The draft of the settlement joint note was discussed and mostly finalized. The formula for ex gratia to pensioner is being fine-tuned and will be finalized shortly. Few more issues are there to be sorted out. We urged upon the IBA to complete the process at the earliest so that full-scale settlement joint note could be signed. We also urged upon the IBA to expedite the clearance of 5-day banking proposal by the government. In the EOB meeting held during the lunch time, it was decided that all the remaining issues, including the clearance of 5 days banking, are to be expedited so that the settlement joint note can be signed at the earliest and without any hassle. Further developments will be informed to unions and members in due course. जो मुख्य बातें हैं कि 5-डे बैंकिंग को एक्सपेडाइट करने के लिए इस जोर दिया गया ताकि जल्द से जल्द ज्वाइंट नोट और 12th बाइपार्टाइट साइन हो सके। कुछ मुद्दे जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि मोस्ट ऑफ द जो आइटम्स हैं, जो इश्यूज हैं, वो फाइनलाइज हो गए हैं। फाइनल एक्स ग्रेसिया का जो फार्मूला है वो बातचीत हो चुकी है और उसको फाइनल करना अभी बाकी है। और कुछ ऐसे भी इश्यूज हैं जो सॉर्ट आउट करने हैं और इसीलिए जो मेन ड्राफ्ट भी है उन्होंने ड्राफ्ट भी फाइनल हो गया है। अब उसमें जो कुछ मुद्दे सॉर्ट आउट होने के बाकी रह गए हैं उसको फाइनलाइज करने के बाद ये सेटलमेंट साइन होगा। इसमें मुख्य मुद्दा 2 है, 5-डे बैंकिंग और एक्स ग्रेसिया टू पेंशनर्स। हमको लगता है और कुछ छोटी मोटी जो जैसे कि अभी फाइनल होने के लिए बाकी होंगी, बाकी सारे कुछ एक तरह से फाइनल हो चुके हैं। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।